Welcome to our channel, and we have the unboxing of a new coffee machine from Vantro. The reason why we chose this machine is because it's got a touchscreen, it looks really nice, and it also has a cold and hot coffee options. So let's see what's inside, and we'll start with the unboxing. Yeah, just put it inside. Yeah, try it. Not like that, you just drag it like this. There you go. Okay, there's another box inside, so we'll just take it out. Okay, pull it out, Rio. Okay, get the box out. There you go. This is the Vantro X1 coffee maker, and that's how it looks. And there we go. It's got a 1.8 liter water tank, and you can control the temperature as well. 20 bar of pressure and 1500 watts. Let's see what's inside. Come, Rio. Pull it. Yeah. Sure, let me do it. Sure. Okay, so we have the coffee machine. We have this is the manual. Okay, we'll come back to that. And we have a card. Registered for warranty within 30 days. Okay, we'll keep that aside. We have the filter. Okay. I just have to take this off. Okay, let's go. Put it off in the box. In the box. That's how it looks. Okay. No, wait 1 minute. Should we just take this out? Oh, that's the porta filter. It comes with double and single espresso filters. I'll take it out later. And we have the measurement spoon and the coffee tamper. It's nicely packed. Okay. That's great. It looks amazing, actually. Let's get the packaging off. Wow, it looks beautiful, I must say. So that's how the machine looks from the front, from the side, from the back, and this is the knob for the steam and the water, and of course the milk steamer, which is a 360-degree rotation. And there we go. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye bye.